Code and Corners, Code and Corners, Code and Corners.
Hello and welcome to a different style of episode. This week we're on episode 8. You can see by the title, My App Sends, kind of. You're probably really used to seeing this by now. We've got 9 episodes in total. We're on episode 8. Please go watch the other 7 if you haven't already. Quick reminder, on the end goal, we've got someone pressing a button on their motorcycle handlebars and that sends a notification from their app to another device. Today's goal, we're going to be implementing SMS logic into our app, and we're going to be using the message from episode 7 and publishing it to the internet. So let's dive in. You're probably used to this by now, so I'm not going to provide the video footage. We're going to check out to a new branch in terminal, put the command on screen, and then you're going to go over to that link, go into the docs folder, go to the message.html, copy the contents, and paste it into your app. Now, the updates in this file are actually quite basic. So we've got a fixed number, which I've set to something arbitrary. It doesn't actually need to be real. We've got a new button called Send SMS. When you click it, it's going to call a function further down in that page. You can see that that function really navigates to a specific link where it populates the number and the message that you entered from episode 7. Now, as I said before, this episode is slightly different than the other ones. We do have a limitation. To be honest, I didn't foresee this, but it's a learning experience and we'll see what's happening and what we can't do. You can see in this flow here, you can click send, it'll pre-fill the number and message, the browser will open the app, but then we can't go any further than that. Here's the demo on my laptop. You can see me going through the motions here, entering the message, saving the message, clicking send SMS, that's opening the app, but the message not being sent. There's many reasons, but it all boils down to control. You don't want a random website having the ability to send SMSs on your behalf. As an example, we would see an uptick of websites using your phone to send SMSs to advertise their company or products. We're so used to iMessage and WhatsApp, we forget that SMSs and other related types of messaging do still cost. And the main reason why is naughty users, malicious intent. You don't want me creating a website that looks like Google or Facebook that sends an SMS on your behalf to your loved ones asking for money to a PayPal account, for example. It's not limited to just SMS. You wouldn't want to hit a website and someone at the other end of that website see you through your mobile camera. You wouldn't want to give them the ability to listen to your conversations through your phone microphone. You wouldn't want them to know your location as soon as you hit that website. And more niche, you wouldn't want them to see exactly what you've copied from another website in your mobile clipboard. So your browser protects you against all these things and more and puts you in the driving seat. You've done this a couple of times before. So you're going to run some commands in terminal, git add, git commit, git push with your branch name, raise the pull request, and then merge it in to trigger a deployment of your changes. In summary, we've given your app the ability to send SMSs from the browser from your PWA. We've identified the limitations of that and we've published it to the internet. In the next episode, we're going to be trying to implement Bluetooth with our app and identifying the limitations as well. On to the next.